By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your wedding vision and know techniques to use to get out of your vision block and into knowing what you want. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Bennis and I'm a pro organizer, lifestyle blogger, and wedding planning expert for my site, cityofcreatordreams.com. Are you feeling stuck when it comes to your wedding vision? Wondering, how do I envision this? Feeling stressed about not knowing how to envision your wedding? We are going to talk about that today. I'm going to show you the best ways to get unstuck, to explore ideas, and start building your wedding vision. Start with a quiz. Sometimes you just need to get out of your head and allow technology to give you the push that you need. There are some awesome wedding vision quizzes out there, and the one that I love is the one from theknot.com. They give you real wedding examples similar to Pinterest for you to really select what you like and what you dislike, but not overwhelm you with a million photos. So if you're worried about if this quiz is going to take too long because your life is really busy, don't worry about it. Believe me, it doesn't take that long. It only asks you about your ceremony, reception, tablescape, bouquet, and dessert styles. It is very easy and quick. This is perfect if you're looking for the right wedding terms for your wedding style, such as bohemian, whimsical, or elegant. For the link for this quiz, you can find it below this video. Upcoming wedding. Pull out your judging card. You were on your very own solo episode of 4 Weddings. If you don't know what I'm talking about, this is a TV show that's on TLC, and you should definitely check it out because it's actually really good. The point of the show is to judge strangers, or some episodes are friends and family. You judge their weddings and they judge yours, and the chance of winning your dream honeymoon. So you can use the same concept with weddings that you're going to this year. The best way to get a feel of what you like is to see it, feel it, and touch it. See the wedding up close and personal. This means that weddings this year is your testing pool. What do you think about the food? What do you think about the decor? Do you like the cake flavor or the cake style? What stood out to you that you loved? Was their food able to make your mouth water? What stood out to you to make your mouth drop? Just a little. Those are key questions you should ask yourself. Now, if you don't have any upcoming weddings, that is completely fine. The next best thing is to look back. Look back on any photos on Facebook or even Instagram. They're there, so you can always judge that way as well. Is this way of finding your wedding vision making sense? If it is, write love in the comments below. Pinterest. Everyone's going to tell you to go on Pinterest. I'm not. I'm just kidding. I'm going to do the same thing. Go to Pinterest. Why? Because Pinterest is a search engine. You are going to love this for planning your wedding. Do you find Pinterest to be overwhelming? It can only be overwhelming when you're simply typing in wedding ideas or wedding decor or wedding inspiration. It's too general. You're going to get every single thing that is wedding related and every single type of wedding in the search. However, when you get more detailed, you get a clear search. It points you in a clear direction and not a general direction. Does that make sense? So use terms that relate to your style. In fact, use the wedding terms that you received from the wedding quiz and insert it into Pinterest. Here is bohemian, and here is whimsical, and here is elegant. See the difference? It gives your search a clear focus. Now you can pin the ones that you like and break it down even further into categories, such as decor, flowers, dress, tablescape. The list can go on and on and on. Before you know it, you're customizing your wedding vision groundwork. You now have a groundwork to work with. If you are serious about organizing and planning your own wedding, then go below this video and grab my free checklist and research to help you be your own wedding planner. Oh, also, if you know someone who would benefit from this video or who is a bride-to-be, then be sure to share this video with them because I know that they would love to know my secrets on being your own wedding planner. Right? Why not? Did this video help you? Let me know below. I'd love to hear from you and any ideas you want me to do for the next video as well. Are you ready to get inspired and finally get your wedding vision sorted? Let me know again below in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!